Hey, folks, and welcome to week 16. We are almost through. Now, I'm going to give you guys until finals week to finish up your long research essay 4. Okay? So, you don't have to have it in this week. You can use finals week to work on it. That is largely because, in a writing class, that is in lieu of your final exam. All right. That also just means that I get the time crush, because I've got to be able to turn all of your papers around at the very end. Okay. So this week, it is kind of a busy week because I want you to view the sample and then write and submit your essay draft for essay 4. Excuse me. That's by Wednesday, May 19th. Okay. By Friday, I want you to do the self-review. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put your essay into Google Docs after you turn it in on Wednesday. I will probably do that Wednesday afternoon or first thing Thursday morning. So then you complete the self-review. Instructions are here. For peer review on essay 4, we are going to do just pairs. And so you're going to do the self-review first, and then get an email with your peer review pairings. You'll complete your peer review on your peer's essay. And I will come in as well and do feedback. Okay. I will probably start doing feedback on Friday. We'll see how long it takes me to get through these nice, long, well-researched, chunky papers. Okay. So you're going to complete the self-review by Friday and the peer review by Monday. So you're going to have to just work on that over the weekend. If you guys get any chunk of it done early, obviously you can get it done early. That's not a problem. Okay. I will send your peer review pairings out as soon as I can after Friday morning, though. Okay. If you've got any questions along the way, don't hesitate to let me know.